So her life took a drastic turn when she was diagnosed with cancer, but all of it, she discovered a new talent. Trishana DeCosta joins us via Zoom to share her journey. Good morning, Trishana. Welcome to Smile Jamaica. It's morning time.
Good morning.
How are you now?
I'm in a lot of pain, but I'm coping.
Wow. How did you find out about this cancer and how is it now? Where are you in this journey now?
Well, the doctors wouldn't agree with me, but I am at a better place than I was when I was just diagnosed. But not last year, in 2019, I felt a lump into my breast. I went to the doctor and they told me to do an ultrasound, which I did, and I was misdiagnosed. They told me that I have fibroadenoma, which is a benign breast disease. Further down in the year, I started having pains in my in my head, my chest, all over my body. But these were bone pains because the cancer was spreading and I didn't know. I went back to the doctor because of the pains I was feeling, and I showed him the lump in my breast, and he confirmed that it is cancer based upon how my breast looked. We did a biopsy to confirm it, and that's where my life went downhill.
So, wow. So they didn't, you said misdiagnosed. So you are thinking that when you
Yeah.
went the first time, you already had cancer?
No, I thought that it was just a tumor or just a regular lump because women we get a lot of hormone, tissues in our breasts and stuff, but it's never, you never want to think the worst. So when they told me that it is fibroadenoma, I just took it and ran with it because I wanted to hear the best out of, my diagnosis.
Yeah. I asked you how you're feeling, but with the cancer, where is the cancer right now?
It's at stage 4.
Wow. But in all of this, you found out that you had some talent that you didn't know before?
Yes.
What happened? What happened? Tell me about that.
Well, I was very depressed and I was crying every day, trying to figure out my life because I kept saying to myself, I'm not dead. So why am I just going to lay down in the bed every day, just staring at the ceiling? And I was trying to figure out what I could do to cope. In high school, I was a very good artist. I could draw, but I've never painted. And one day I just got up and my friends asked me what I wanted for my birthday. I told them I wanted to paint. They bought me canvases. They bought me paints and paint brushes. And this was my first painting. I put the brush to the canvas and I couldn't believe it. I awed myself.
What did that do for you?
Trust me, it opened so many doors I didn't know that was locked. I'm so happy, and my doctors think I'm crazy, but I'm really so happy. I'm very happy.
These pictures are very, very nice. Very, very nice. So what,
Thank you.
you paint every day? How do you do it?
It depends on the extremity of the pain. If I'm not in too much pain, I'll paint.
And then do you try to sell them or do you just have them with you there or what?
I sell them and I keep some. Some of them I can't let go of.
How are
I
they
do sell them.
how are they sold? How do people know about it and get to see it and stuff?
I advertise them on my Facebook page and my Instagram page. And, I post my phone number. So if anybody wants a painting, they can call me and order one.
Yeah. And
They
where does
basically just tell me what they want and I'll just put my inspiration to it.
yeah. So where would the inspiration come from for the different paintings that you do?
It comes from the heart. I know it sounds cliche, but
No, it
I
doesn't.
named my paintings, my group of paintings, Art from the Heart. because that's literally where it comes from.
Yeah, man, nothing wrong with that. I actually can understand that. And there's the IG handle if you want to get. What do you think is the best one you've done? What gives you the
This one, the
most
first
satisfaction? The
one.
very first one? Yeah.
Yes, and the second one. The second one, this one, it a lady, her brother died, and
Okay.
she asked me to do this painting for her.
Okay.
He died, and this is his wife and his three daughters. And I named this piece The Last Sunset because it's his last sunset.
Yeah, fantastic. Wow. I'm so sorry about where you are now with your illness, but I'm very happy that it seems that you get some happiness with your paintings, and I hope that will continue. There's a question that I'm actually
Thank
very
you.
scared to ask, and I probably won't ask it, but
No, trust me, I'm very open. You can ask me anything.
what have the doctors said to you?
Well, honestly, the doctor told me that I have until the end of the year, but I don't feel that way. I don't feel I'm in pain sometimes, but not majority of the time. And I just started a new medication, and it's looking hopeful.
Well, we will all say a prayer for
It's
you,
looking
Shoshana.
hopeful.
We will all say a prayer for you. Continue doing your paintings, and I hope that you will get some relief from the pain, and hopefully the miracles do happen.
Yeah.
So hopefully you will be all right. So good to meet you. God bless you, and look after yourself as well as you can.
Thank you.
All right,
God
Shoshana De
bless you
Costa.
too.
Yeah, man. Thanks a lot, Shoshana. Shoshana De Costa, speaking with us this morning. Still to come, folks. New year, new diet. Stay with us. Soon come.